Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing good and spending this time with your family members which is given to us by lockdown. Hey, this is Anju Jindal, trainer by profession, entrepreneur and a career growth specialist. Today I am just here to speak about the fears which are created due to this lockdown. When in March the lockdown was announced, we were hoping it will end in April. Then second lockdown was announced, which was supposed to get over on the 3rd of May. And now the third lockdown is announced. Everybody around is uncertain about how things will go on. Whether a person is a businessman, a person is a student, a person is just a housewife, all of us are having this uncertainty. So let's just discuss on the methods which we can follow to just get out of this negativity and just think on the methods which will bring out some positivity and we can lose on this uncertainty around us, because this is the first time we are facing this kind of situation. Now it can come anytime. So let's start with how to deal with uncertainty, especially in career due to this lockdown, right? So people around us are having fears like how things will go on, what will happen, how long it will go on. Nobody is knowing till when it is going to happen. Second fear which most of us are having is how things will come on track. Every industry is facing issues because of this lockdown. We never imagined this kind of problem. Now, I understand that these are certain fears which we all are having, but I will just suggest you that we should find out ways to get out of this uncertainty. We cannot change this situation, but we can always try to do things which will be helping us in future, because future is in our hands, uncertainty is not in our hands. So what all we can do? The first thing which I will suggest is just stop thinking about what will happen, how things will come on track. Because when we think negative, when we think lot about all these things, it will come more to us. So stop thinking about all this. Rather, you should focus on the second point. Start analyzing yourself. Start analyzing by where we are at our career right now or in our business right now. What are the skills we are having and what are the skills we are lacking? Because when I would know my strengths and my weaknesses, I will be feeling good about my strengths and I would know where I should work on. I know few of the people have started with trainings. Like if you are a computer software engineer and for getting a growth in your career, you need to learn some software. You should understand and know what is that software you need to learn. If you are a businessman, what is the thing which if you learn will help you to grow your business? Maybe a website can help you, maybe marketing strategies, planning can help you, maybe accounting can help you. So first analyze your skills. It may be communication skill, it may be some professional skill. Once you analyze that, invest your time and effort in learning. Plan the ways how you can fill the gap between what is needed and what you have right now. As I told you, a businessman can learn lot of things. Accounting process has changed vastly. So learn about the accounting process. If you need to know or you need to grow your business, learn about the digital methods, how you can increase your business. You can also learn about different ways your product can be innovated. a person who is right now at an executive level, if he gets to know that he is lacking in his communication skills, you should start with the classes for that. There's ample of time right now, and lot of options are also available for the same. We are lucky enough to have the options available. If it would have been a period 20 or 25 years back, we would have no options left out with us. So what I am trying to say is focus on the positive side, what we are having and where we can spend our, effort and time. Once you analyze this and you have a plan in hand, just look out the possible growth options for you once this is going to over, because this is going to be over. This is not going to be there for a lifetime. It may take some time, but it is going to be over. A businessman who is into a shoe business should look out for the products or accessories which he can add, so that later on the growth opportunities are there for him. This is the time where he can plan and work out those things for which we do not get time on day-to-day basis. A person who is into job can look out for the additional skills, if added, will help him to grow in future, because right now he is having ample of time with him. Once you know this, you have to start learning that skill. Learn that skill and add to your resume or profile. Like if a businessman learns marketing skills, he can use it in his profile and use it in his business for growth. A computer software engineer can add on a certification. An executive can learn communication skills and improve his communication skills during this time. So what basically I am trying to say is, rather than thinking about the negative aspect, which is not in our control, we should start by analyzing where are we, and then we should plan a career map for us. We should learn these skills if needed and go with a positive mindset. If you need to know more about it, you can just refer to my video, which is how to have or achieve career growth in 3 simple steps, by doing 3 simple steps. So just go to the video and just have a look at it if you need to. With these skills, you also need to do one thing which I have done it, and trust me guys, I am more organized, is declutter your space, your mind and your gadgets. Now decluttering space means just remove the things which are not required. Just organize your things. Mind means the thoughts which are not needed, what I am just talking about in this video. Declutter your mind also with the thoughts which are not needed for your mind or for you. Your gadgets like mobile phone, your laptops have so much of data, so much of unwanted photographs or documents which are not needed. So just remove them. And if some things are needed, just organize it in a way so that they are easily, searched on when needed. So this will help you to be more organized, and when you are more organized, you can focus more on the work which needs focus. The last and the foremost thing which all of us are learning in one or the other aspect is practice traits like self-control, gratitude and affirmations. In this period, we all are having self-control on ourselves, because we cannot move out of our houses and we are not going, right? So why can't we have self-control without these kind of limitations on us? So we should bring this kind of self-control on us. We should follow gratitude. In last 2 months, we were so thankful to everybody around who are working for us, and we forget to thank in day-to-day life regularly. So we should practice gratitude. We should affirmate ourselves that things are going to be fine, because affirmations bring more positivity and it will help us to get rid of fear altogether. When we do all this, what is going to happen? What will be the result of all this? The first and the foremost thing, what will happen is you will be surrounded with lot of positivity. We look for positivity and thinking positive outside, but it is all inside ourselves. So once we are out of fear, once we have made ourselves more productive and efficient in this period of lockdown, we will bring positivity not only to us, but also our positivity will be created around us. We will be having more skills because we will be spending time on learning, investing our time and effort into new things which we did not did. So more skills will be added on to ourselves. And the third thing is obviously we will get more power, because when we have more positivity around us, we have skills, we know that we are into the right direction, we have more power into us to get rid of all this uncertainty, or we have a power that we will be able to face whatever is coming in future to us. So with these outcomes, who will not like to follow these things? I am doing it and it is working for me. So I just thought of sharing it with all of you, because you all are just a family to me. I am investing in learning. I am practicing all these things. I have decluttered my house, my gadgets, even somewhat my mind. So I am just asking you also to do all these things. I hope this video will be an add-on. If you even take 1 or 2 points from this, it will be really great for me. Now, if you want to have more videos like this, you need to just do 2 things. First of all, you need to join my community, which is on Facebook, and the name of the community is Career Growth Mastermind. You just need to send a request. The request will be approved if you, on your timeline, you hashtag Career Growth Mastermind, saying I want to join this community. So join the community, you'll get all the updates. My blog updates will also be available on that. You can also do another thing, subscribe to my channel, which is Anju Jindal on YouTube, for these videos. I hope you will like, subscribe, and click on the bell button also to get these videos from my side. Thank you very, very much, guys. Hope you will learn certain things from this and apply it into your life. I would be looking forward to knowing from you, is it helpful or not for you? If it is helpful, just write a comment, helpful, and it will just make my day. Right? Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day, guys.